and Crafts. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited this channel before, it's good to see you again. On this channel, we share hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, crafts, and home decor. In today's video, I'm going to show you some fall items that I got at the Dollar Tree. Now let's go see what I got. I did pick up some ribbon. This is 5/8 inch wide, 3 yards of ribbon, and this one is in the checkerboard motif or the checkerboard style. It is orange and burgundy and white. Very, very pretty ribbon, and for 3 yards for $1, pretty good deal. So we got that. And then I also got the very much coveted and loved and adored little red truck ribbon with the pumpkins on it. So pretty. It has a gold edging on it. It's in the burlap background. Too cute. So we got that. Then I also got another roll of ribbon. This ribbon is a 9-foot roll, 2.5 inches. Wire edge ribbon, and it is in this beautiful cross pattern of oranges and greens and maroons, a little bit of tan in there. Has the beautiful gold edged wire on there. It is so pretty. It's going to go good on any one of your beautiful wreaths this fall. So I also picked up this little roll of a ribbon. This one again is 9 feet, 5/8 of an inch wide, and this one has the little owls on it. It's got the green burlap background. It's got these little owls and some leaves. It is so pretty. It's gonna go well with all your other fall decor. Owls are just the cutest little thing. Their faces are so expressive. So I got that one. And then I also got another 9-foot roll, 2.5 inch of these beautiful fall leaves. Now these fall leaves have a little bit of shine, a little bit of glitter on them. They are wire edged, and they have, of course, all the beautiful fall colors, from the green turning into the oranges, turning into the yellows. So we have that one. And then again, of course, the beautiful red truck, the red truck with the pumpkins, and this one is in the 2.5 inch 9-foot roll red truck with the wired edged ribbon in gold. Now look at those. I also bought the pitberry garland. I got this one in the burgundy, and boy, look at the quality on these pit berries. There is not one scratch on any of these pit berries. They are just complete. Nothing is missing. It is a 9-foot roll. I also got it in the orange and maroon color. Another 9-foot roll. And look at these pit berries. They are beautiful. Also picked up this beautiful, it says grateful, thankful, and blessed. It is a hanging, has a beautiful brown satin ribbon on it, and of course the Dollar Tree signature glitter. I believe their motto must be glitter makes it better, but it is beautiful. Look at those real beautiful flowers that are on that. They have the beautiful fall colors. They can be used individually on 3 different wreaths. You can make one wreath with using the 3, or you can just you can take them apart and put them on your 3-tiered trays, or you can use it as is. You know, there's so many options. I also picked up one of these beautiful round pumpkins. This one says welcome friends. It has that sunflower on there that right now seems to be a big part of the fall decor. Now this little sunflower is a little wood piece that is attached to the pumpkin, so it's kind of like a little 3D effect, but it looks like it is on a burlap backing You can kind of see the burlap backing on that, and it is very pretty. Then I also got it in the tall, little tall pumpkin, and this one says Hello Fall with the little wood pumpkin here. Now this wood pumpkin again is attached to the front, kind of like in a 3D effect on that one. Also the orange backing is kind of a burlap material, but look how cute those two look together. Hello Fall and welcome friends. That's what it's all about, people. And keeping with the pumpkin theme, I also got this beautiful pumpkin. That pumpkin says thankful and blessed, and isn't that how we are today? We are thankful and we are blessed to be able to stay healthy, those of us who have been, and those of us who have gotten sick. Well, we just hope that you continue to get better. But this thankful and blessed is gorgeous. It has, of course, that signature glitter and that beautiful tin, silver tin leaf on there is on there. So that is really pretty. I believe my favorite is this beautiful scarecrow. He is just so adorable. His face, he is just ready to shoo people away from his cornfield and tell everybody that they can't hang around, but he really wants them to hang around because he's saying welcome, welcome, come on in. He's not shooing anybody away. He's not kidding nobody. I picked up some gorgeous things, some things to show you, some things to inspire you to get out there and maybe create your own things. So for now, we are thankful and blessed, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.